Hiya, welcome to another one of our videos. We're going to do a review on a product called ECODECK, and this is basically a grid system for laying gravel driveways or even a gravel path. And this is what ECODECK is. It's basically 500 by 500 mil squares, and it's 40 mil deep, and it's with the hollow bit facing upwards, and they literally lock in. You just push them in. The thing we found useful was this tarmac thing, I call it the squisher. You just push them in like that, and that's how they lock together. They can come apart quite easy if you need to pull them apart. And this is the ECODECK lathe, as you can see here. And it, even before putting the gravel in, it is quite a stable, firm surface. So how did we prepare for the ECODECK? So we removed 80 mil of lawn, turf and soil from this, and you can see what we've done there. And the reason we did that is that when you lay these, you need to put 40 mil of gravel in, of 10 mil gravel. This is this stuff, small stuff, and compact it down with what I call the squisher. It's called a tarmac damper, I think. And then when you've done that and laid this, you then need to get some 20 mil gravel here, which is this stuff, and you put 40 mil of this on top of your 10 mil, so it's that basically. Yeah. Another interesting thing about this product is
we put weed barrier down.
Oh, weed barrier, yeah. So we cleared the soil, cleared the turf, put weed barrier down, and we used some pegs to peg it in. So that's what we did with that. You can see we've got a bit of an angle on our drive. And this was simple to cut. It was easy to cut, went in, no problem at all. It probably took us an hour and a half to lay this, and probably two or 3 hours with the gravel in. So I'd give ECODECK 10 out of 10. Real easy to use. Even this, you can see it doesn't crush. Quality product. The other thing is, when you're laying this ECODECK, don't worry too much about getting the ground perfectly level. It does give a bit, so you can see over here on the curve edge here.
Make sure you talk up the camera, it's windy.
Where it drops a bit, that's not a problem, because once you get the 20 mil gravel in, any uneven areas will disappear and it will look perfectly level. So this stuff does flex. Anyway, so in brief, so you need a spade to take your turf or soil up. You need to go down 40 mil for that. You need your ECODECK, you need 10 mil gravel, and then you need 20 mil gravel. We used tarmac gravel. We bought it from bqdiy.com.
We bought it from Wickes, yeah. Bulk bag from Wickes.
Bag from Wickes, yeah. Sorry, apologies, yeah. And we went for tarmac, and the reason we went for tarmac is the quality of the gravel. Some gravels are quite poor and dusty. Anyway, if this helps you decide whether to put ECODECK down, it's quick and efficient. Help us along a little bit, and please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.
Thanks for watching.